Hello everyone, I'm Miss Jordi, the Young Adult Librarian at the Augusta-Richmond County Public Library. Thank you so much for joining me today. As a young adult, you may not have a lot of money to spend on gifts, so if you're looking for a gift that has a personal touch and is easy on your wallet, DIY gifts in a jar are the perfect ones. They are easy and fun to make, and they allow you to be creative and customize your gift to fit the person you're gifting. For today, I'm going to show you how to make a DIY spa in a jar, also known as a DIY mani-pedi in a jar. For this one, you'll need a quart-sized jar and any items that will help the person pamper themselves, such as bath salts, cozy socks, a sleep mask, lotion, chapstick, and nail grooming items. You can find some awesome items at a dollar store. I found the majority of these from the Dollar Tree at the Augusta West Plaza. After you have taken your items out of their packages, you can now organize them the way you would like inside of your jar. For my jar, I chose to place the socks at the bottom to serve as a cushion for the rest of the items. Then I placed the rest of the items comfortably so that all of them fit. There were a few items that I couldn't fit in, so I'll save those for another jar. Once your jar is full and you are satisfied with all of the items you have placed, you can now seal it with your lid. Now you can decorate your jar with a pretty ribbon as well as a gift tag and anything else that you want to decorate your jar. And you're done, and you have a great gift to give to that special person in your life. Thank you again for joining me today, and stay tuned for our next DIY gift in a jar, which is a peppermint sugar scrub. This will make an awesome gift, especially during the winter season, and you will definitely want to make this one for yourself as well. See you later.